What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have something different, something interesting. This is a smart ring from Ringconn. This one is known as Ringconn Smart Ring. Yeah, this is a new brand. At this moment, this one is my one of the most favorite gadget because I really like this tiny little ring and I actually have been wearing this ring for almost 8 days now. No, today is Friday. Okay, I've been wearing this one for 10 days now and I'm super happy with the performance of this ring. Yeah, I need to mention that there are a few features that's still yet to come, like this brand is still developing a lot of features, but the features that's available at this moment and along with all the upcoming features that you will get altogether, this is one of the best smart ring to wear. And yeah, you know that I always care about value for money. This one costs almost half of the other smart rings available on the market. And you know what? You don't have to pay for any subscription. There are many other smart ring brands and smart rings available on the market. Some of those don't even provide any health data. Some of the brands offers health data when you subscribe to their data package, which costs more. But this Ringconn will offer you health data for free, and not only a few health data, this one comes with a lot of health tracking features. The most important part is I really don't like to wear a ring which is built with silver or gold or something like that. I have a ring. I actually used to wear a ring that's made of platinum. I actually don't wear that one usually these days because that's not a smart ring. This one is a smart ring from Ringconn and this one is made of titanium. Yeah, made of titanium. It's neither silver nor gold. It's pure titanium and the sensors are actually sealed with biosafe sealing glue. So it's super comfortable and super light. If you know the basics of chemistry, then you should know and understand that titanium is far better than silver or any other plastic materials which are used by other brands to manufacture some other cheap and poor quality smart rings. Well, I know you wanna know the price of this smart ring. This one costs only 149 US dollars and you won't need to buy any subscription to check your health activity or track your health data. I would say that's a steal. Well, this is the early bird price, but even after the early bird season, this one will cost less than the other brands. This one will cost 249 US dollars. That's the regular price. If you want to get one of these, then you should try to get in this early bird season because now it costs only 149 US dollars. Okay, here is the box. Know yourself better. Ringconn, 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 and the logo of Ringconn everywhere. It looks amazing. After opening the top lid, there is a card, Know Yourself Better, Ringconn, and they have written something nice. It seems like philosophy got blended into technology. If you want to read this card, then you can pause this video and read by yourself. Underneath the card, there is a tiny little envelope which carries a function introduction, product checklist, medical disclaimers, and a quick start guide. Yes, you will need to download this Ringconn application from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Underneath the paperwork, that's our Ringconn Smart Ring. Well, there are a lot of different sizes based on your finger and your requirement. You can choose the one that suits you most. Underneath the ring, here comes the charging case. I really like this design. I mean, look at this. Their logo even looks so nice, amazing. This ring actually gives me a feeling of I'm having two different things at the same time. If you check carefully, then you can see the outer shield of this ring is a bit square, but inside it's totally round. And it's not even heavy. This one weighs only 4 grams. Depending on the size of the ring will weigh between 3 to 5 grams. Definitely the smaller sized one will weigh less than this and the bigger sized one will weigh more than this. This one is only 4 grams and I think it's feather light. Well, let's check the charging case. This charging case is actually made with premium quality materials. It's not like cheap plastic or polycarbonate. This charging case is actually manufactured with metal and premium class polycarbonate. To charge the ring, what we have to do is to place it inside this charging case and the ring will magnetically get attached and will start getting charged. Once we place the ring inside, the LED light will show and confirm that the ring has already started to get charged. this charging case actually has a 500 mAh battery, and with the charging case we can use the ring for 3 months. This charging case will offer battery life for 3 months, but without the charging case this ring actually offers battery life for 7 to 10 days. On the website or on some marketing materials it shows that 5 to 7 days, but I have been wearing this one for 10 days without being needed to get it charged. As I have already mentioned, the charging case has a 500 mAh battery and the ring itself has a 22 mAh battery. A premium gadget comes with a premium charging case. I usually don't use the word dope, but this is truly dope, and yeah, kudos to Ringconn. Okay, why do I prefer this smart ring from Ringconn is this one is built with titanium. Most of the other precious metals with the characteristics of titanium is really very pricey. But when it comes to titanium, the metal is surprisingly cheaper despite possessing all the ideal properties of the most precious metals. For example, this one is durable. Titanium is much more versatile than gold, silver and gemstones. This one has a very nice subtle outlook, and the appearance of anodized titanium is much more attractive. Titanium means brutally strong. Titanium means durable. Titanium has its own unique outlook and appearance. It's fashionable. And the most important part is this one is very lightweight. Just think about this. If this wasn't built with titanium, like many other rings out there which are made with different materials and metals, those are a bit more chunky, those are a bit heavier, and after I have tried those other smart rings, I felt like those are much more tiring. Yeah, this one is still a bit chunky, maybe if you think it's chunky, but I don't feel it's chunky. It's really super sleek and on my finger feels so very comfortable. It's as light as a piece of paper. So it's not only durable, it's also comfortable and definitely one of the lightest smart rings available on the market. What I like about this smart ring from Ringconn is the implementation of the sensors. They have implemented the sensors with precision, so I don't even feel that there are sensors. You can see that there are 2 bumps on the 2 sides at the bottom, but I have never felt like there are any bumps because they have placed it in the correct position, and this really feels so comfortable. Well, Ringconn actually recommends that this ring should be worn on the index finger or on the middle finger or on the ring finger. I feel that this ring looks better on my index finger, that's why I'm wearing this one on index finger. Well, as I mentioned earlier, there is an application Ringconn which is available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. It's really very easy to download the application and pair the ring with the application. On the application, we can check battery status, connection status, and sync time, model number, size, and firmware. We can also select monitoring settings. If we want, we can also unpair the ring. Well, this is the only smart ring available on the market which offers 24 hours sleep time monitoring, because I have tried 2 other different smart rings which only allows to record sleep time monitoring at night time. But sometimes I take naps whenever I have time because I have to work up to late night. So this Ringconn smart ring actually offers better and more precise sleep time data. This ring also tracks heart health, oxygen saturation, which is known as blood oxygen monitoring, activity, which is actually steps count. Inside steps count, we can check calories burned and distance covered. Inside heart health, we can check heart rate range. And there is another option, RHR, which will be available soon. I really like that they also have this stress index, and they have added some features to get some relief from stress. And finally, there is a feature which shows temperature. If we want, we can also get weekly health report, and it's really very convenient that they have integrated the user guide inside this application. And there is an option to update the application inside the application. That's pretty cool. We can even select that this application will automatically download the upgrade package. Well, I don't wanna lengthen in this video by talking about something again and again. I was drinking coffee when I have started recording this video. I was very excited about this ring and this video because this is the first time I have decided to wear a smart ring, and I'm super satisfied. I've spilled some coffee on my clothes, so I had to change my dress. Yeah. Anyway, here comes the verdict. Ringconn Smart Ring offers better and almost perfect health data. Ringconn Smart Ring offers the longest battery life, and yeah, everyone in this studio wear one of these Ringconn Smart Rings every day, and we all are very happy and satisfied with the performance, outlook and appearance of this Ringconn Smart Ring. So yeah, $149 is actually a very good price, but as that's early bird price, you should go and check that now, because the regular price will be $249. I have left a link in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead, check that link. But before you go, let me mention one thing. Even if this ring costs $300, this one offers better value for money than any other smart rings, because to get health data from those smart rings, you will need to subscribe to a data package, which is totally free with this Ringconn Smart Ring. And if you have loved this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and support honest content. I don't want to spill it again. I'm so excited. Go ahead, check the link in the description box below.
I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it.